Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about rotocap and what's inside on that. Okay, let's get into the video. So before dismantling this, there will be a retaining ring. Once you remove this retaining ring, you need to remove this retainer body and this spring washer and clean all the parts and inspect the ball and the spring. If anything found not good in shape, then you need to replace the spring washer or the spring and ball race to remove and overall and boxed up back in a reverse order how it has been removed. This rotocap is used to rotate the wall to prevent carbon deposit on the wall sheet. So that's the purpose of this rotocap. Okay guys, let's see you in another video with another useful information. Okay, bye.